Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites: the new phone, the old device if still available, and your Azure AD credentials. Open the Microsoft Authenticator app on the new phone and sign in when prompted. Once done, in the Azure portal navigate to Security, then Authentication Methods to begin registration. This tells Azure to accept the new device. Make sure to disable airplane mode and grant camera permission. The camera is needed to scan QR codes during the next step. You will now register the app with Azure AD. Choose Add Method, pick Authenticator app, and click Configure to reveal the QR code. Open the app on your phone, select Add Account, then scan that QR code. This links the account securely. Once the code is scanned, the app shows a 6-digit time-based code. Enter it in the portal or approve the push notification. After verification, Azure records the new device as a valid MFA method. Make sure the timestamp and time zone are correct on your phone. Finish by setting the Authenticator app as your default sign-in method in Azure AD and remove the old device if you no longer need it. Test a full sign-in flow from a different browser or private window to confirm push approvals and code entry work. If something goes wrong, sync your phone clock first time drift breaks codes, then try reinstalling the app. You can also use a temporary access method or contact your admin. These steps restore access without losing account mappings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.